Hey everybody! The Carquinez Model Railroad Society is having their first open house of the season. Come join the fun and experience model railroading on a grand scale. The club's 3-level, 36-foot by 60-foot HO scale model railroad depicts the transcontinental railroad of the Southern Pacific Union Pacific as it traverses California across Donner Summit to Nevada. Trains depart Oakland and travel through the picturesque East Bay area before climbing the grade through the dramatic scenery of the Sierra Nevada mountains, ending the trip in Sparks, Nevada. The layout will be open Sunday, January 26th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Admission for adults is $5. Bring the kids. Children under 16 are admitted free when accompanied by an adult. The club is located at 645 Loring Avenue in Crockett, California, across from C&H Sugar. Be a part of the action. For more information, go to our website, cmrstrainclub.org. We'll see you there.